السيارة الميني كوبر Countryman JCW 2020 ALL4. Today we're gonna go for a test drive and show you how it's like behind the wheel. فاليوم عندنا تجربة رياضية للسيارة. نقول بسم الله. Let's hop in and let's start it up. Bismillah. So guys, the previous video I used to talk about the JCW exhaust that this car has, and the JCW exhaust is way different than the normal exhaust you get. It's an option for the JCW Mini Countryman. Also, exhaust actually opens and closes based on the mode you're in. So if you're in green, as you can see, the ambient lighting goes green. The sound is really minimal, and when you go to mid, the valves open slightly so you can hear the sound of the exhaust. And when you go to sport, the exhaust's fully open and you can hear the whole sound of the JCW exhaust, and it sounds freaking amazing, guys. So I'm gonna give you guys a little sound clip on how it sounds like based on the modes. So guys, we are on the road. We started driving by using the mid setting because green is actually for saving fuel, so you all know how that is. As you put your foot on the accelerator, you can hear a pop while shifting gears. So guys, we're here on a straight road. The way to activate launch control is you have to put the traction off, put it in sport, put the gearbox to sport plus, and foot in the brake, and we're off. Wow. 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 4.5 seconds, just like that. That's launch control. So guys, this is the driving experience. This is basically everything you need to know about driving a Mini Countryman JCW. And this is my point of view. So thank you all guys for watching, and see you soon in the next episode.